Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of gaming headsets, and we've got something special for you.
If you're a gamer who values hearing every footstep, every rustle, and every subtle detail in your games, then you're in the right place. We're taking a deep dive into the BENGOO G9000 stereo gaming headset. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this headset is considered one of the best for hearing footsteps in the gaming world.
Let's start by looking at the BENGOO G9000's key features.
This gaming headset is a versatile powerhouse. It's compatible with PlayStation 4, Xbox One, PC, Nintendo 3DS, laptops, tablets, and even mobile phones. Just note that if you're connecting to an older Xbox One controller, you'll need an extra Microsoft adapter. The BENGOO G9000 boasts a clear sound with strong bass, splendid ambient noise isolation, and a high-precision 40mm magnetic neodymium driver. This means you'll experience a vivid sound field, impeccable sound clarity, and a true shock feeling in your games.
Perfect for titles like Halo 5 Guardians,
Metal Gear Solid, Call of Duty, and more, where hearing every detail is crucial. The integrated omnidirectional microphone on this headset is top-notch. It comes with premium noise-canceling features, ensuring that you can communicate with your teammates with crystal-clear sound.
Plus, it excels at picking up sounds with great sensitivity while minimizing background noise.
Comfort is key during long gaming sessions, and the BENGOO G9000 delivers. It features comfortable protein-over-ear pads, a multi-point head beam for a secure fit, and skin-friendly leather material. Plus, it adds a touch of gaming flair with its LED lights on the ear cups. The high-tensile strength, anti-winding braided USB cable comes with a convenient rotary volume controller and a one-key microphone mute function. This ensures that your cable won't get tangled, and you can easily adjust the volume or mute the mic on the fly. Perhaps one of the most appealing aspects of the BENGOO G9000 is its price. With a list price of $39.99 and often available for $25.99, you're getting an exceptional gaming headset without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about what users have to say about the BENGOO G9000. With over 104,000 ratings and an average rating of 4.3 stars, it's clear that gamers love this headset. They appreciate the sound quality, comfort, and overall gaming experience it offers. Some users even mention how the bass surround makes them feel immersed in the game. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best gaming headset for hearing footsteps and getting a competitive edge in your games, the BENGOO G9000 stereo gaming headset is an excellent choice. With its versatility, surround sound, noise-canceling microphone, and affordable price point, it's a solid investment for gamers of all levels. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy gaming!